Right, made it to the top of YOSEMITE Falls or whatever it's called. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Holy shit. Wow. It's no joke. Slowly. Gotta go down there. Alright, you guys ready?
That's crazy. Holy shit. That's crazy. That's kind of freaky.
Yeah, that is gnarly, yeah.
It's almost like you feel like you're going to fall over.
Yep.
You even know that rock's going nowhere.
Alright. That's gonna be some good footage.
That is cool.
Yeah. Little 9-foot 360 selfie pole.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you kind of get those views that you really can't get, like,
Yeah.
technically without a drone.
Yeah.
So.
Right.
it's pretty. You can get places that like you can't really get in real life without a drone. It's the closest you can get, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. You guys, I'll post this online if you guys go to
Do you have YouTube?
yeah, it's called Epic Life Skills.
Epic life skills.
Yeah, shameless plug.
No,
I'll pick up like 10 subscribers to my 200.
I'm good. I'm good.
Life skills?
Epic life skills.
Yeah. Things like making videos on there. That's cool. No, it's really fun. Like we try to pick like some of the coolest places where you're like kind of close to dying, like close to death you can get.
Well, that's over the years.
Yeah, yeah. My mom's always freaked out. She's like, "What are you doing? Don't do that again." Okay, mom. Yeah.